Very pleasant good evening to all. Whenever we go to colleges, universities, which includes Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration, where IAS, IPS, probationary officers will undergo training in foundation level. There many officials asked me, today we are having all types of technologies available. With the availability of cell communication, what is the contest of going for ham radio, which is considered to be the absolute technology? I told them this technology, latest technology, it always fails whenever a disaster occurs. Ham radio, since it is an independent communication device, never fails. A ham radio operator can directly interact with the Sunita Williams, a astronaut. Her call sign is Kilo Delta 5 Papa Lima Bravo, and her International Space Station call sign is Oscar Romeo 5 India Shera Shera. She will be talking to Europe people in 145-800 megahertz frequency. That is 23rd of this month at the time 8 hours 05 minutes UTC, Universal Time Coordinated, that is equivalent to 1 hour 35 minutes in the afternoon of Indian Standard Time. Hopefully, this type of information will attract many technocrats to join in the ham radio. V2RDM, Ramesh Babu Arja, 73, signing off. Bye for now.